Okay, so we need to create first in environmental variable add to the path section where we need to be add. Okay, we need to be add environmental variable, which one we open, where over here in the first in Rohit I want to add the new. Okay, so new, add to the variable name. Right now my variable name is a Java home. It should be like this only. Okay, you need to be write in the capital letter Java underscore home. Then after give to the path. Okay, so what is the path we need to do? What we need to give to the path? Which one we are created in our, where, see, I'm going to over here right now, check it. It's normal your this PC, C drive, then after program, and we need to select particular JDK 1.8. We need to give to the this path. Okay, you can copy also, control C, you can paste also over here, or else if you don't want to do this, you can go to the browse directory. Okay, go to this PC, then we have to the C drive, over here we have the Java, and I want to choose specifically JDK 1.8. So if you can clicking that, same thing will be happen. Done this one, now click OK button. See, right now Java home path is connected. Means which software we install. Okay, software not, that JDK. Which one we install? It's right now attached with your hardware part. Okay, this one done. Now don't forget to say that OK and OK. Means right now it's safe. Again go to the environmental variable and we need to be give to the in path section. Okay, where this path section, let me tell you that means in the system. Go again back same as an environmental variable, then again do the environmental variable, and right now we did in the Rohit, right? We need to give to the your system also. Okay, so where how the path is available, then edit, and after over here add the new path. Which one is this one? C drive Java JDK 8. I copied. Okay, now say OK button and just say OK and OK. Even cross check also again and again. Many times your Java is not working because people are not giving to the proper path. Okay, so go again back and check it, everything is done or not. Java home, over here path is done, and over here inside of the path section edit, it's over there, so it's perfect. Okay, means it's saved properly. Okay, okay, okay. Now search in the Google Apache Hadoop. Okay, right now JDK is installed. Right now we need to search to the Apache Hadoop also, right? So search over here Apache Hadoop. We are going to be over here in the search engine. Okay, then after choose any account, I want to be a download Hadoop. Okay, Apache Hadoop. Let's go to the official website. See, this is the Apache Hadoop website. We can click over here or we can directly click in download also, but let's go to the step by step. See, there are version also, sorry. After that download, click on the download. Now see, they are showing to the right now versions, but I want to go to the scroll down and I want to see to the Apache release archive versions. Okay, so I will be click over here, means lot of versions, release version, lot of, so lot of versions will become over here. See, are you getting lot of different versions? Which one is Apache made it? So specifically choose the version that is called 3.2.4 tar ZZ file. Okay, ZZ file. Okay, so where is that? Hadoop 3.2.4, 3.2.4, 3333, where is the 3? See over here, 3.2.4, 3.2 point, where is the 3.2.4, 3.2.4, are you getting? See over here, click over here. Now it will be going another where. Now in that we need to be install Hadoop 3.2.4 tar.zz file. Are you getting? See, the symbol also are different. Okay, this one specifically we need to install. Check it, I wrote over here also. What is that? Download Apache file. Which one is what? Hadoop 3.2.4 tar.z. See, Hadoop 3.2.4 tar.z. Click over here. Then after it start to the download, it is taking a time to installation. Okay, wait little bit. Let me pause the video for till